In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction of page replacement algorithms and FIFO page replacement algorithm. Page replacement algorithms. When a page fault occurs, the operating system has to replace one of the available pages with requested page. So we know what is a page fault. If CPU requests for a particular page, if that page is not available in the primary memory, then that situation is called page fault. Then what the CPU operating system can do, it find out the available page in the secondary memory and load that page in the primary memory. If the primary memory is filled with all the pages and there is no space for the new requested page, we have to remove one page and filled with the new requested page. That is the concept of page replacement. Now here the point is, if the memory is filled, then the coming requested page has to be filled at some place. So which page has to be removed and filled with the new requested page? So that is the main question. So for that, we have different page replacement algorithms available and they provide the way to decide which page has to replace. That is the job of the page replacement algorithms. And the main goal of these page replacement algorithms is to minimize the page faults. So we have different page replacement algorithms. They decide which page has to replace, and with that the main intention is to minimize the page faults. If page fault occurs, means definitely there are different read-write mechanisms are increased, and definitely operating system go to the hard disk and get the requested page. So accessing secondary storage is somehow a little bit overhead for processing. So that is about the page replacement algorithms. And there are different page replacement algorithms available. First in first out page replacement algorithm, optimal page replacement algorithm, least recently used page replacement algorithm. So in this video, we are going to learn first in first out page replacement algorithm. So the first in first out page replacement algorithm associates with each page the time when that page was brought into memory. So here what we have to do is, we have to maintain, or we have to find out which page has to brought into memory on which time. Which time. That means when a page must be replaced, the oldest page is chosen. So it's a kind of queue data structure. So whatever the page coming to the memory earlier, that page has to be removed. So the first page coming to the memory, that should be removed first. That is why we call it as first in first out. Okay. So all the pages available in the memory, we need to find out which page has to come earlier, the oldest. That page has to be chosen and that page has to be replaced by the new requested page. So that is the concept in FIFO page replacement algorithm. So consider one example. Here we have a reference string. Reference string means it consists of the request generated by the CPU. So here what are the numbers available means 70, 120, all these are the page numbers. This request is generated by the CPU. So by using FIFO page replacement algorithm, we have to place these pages into the main memory, physical memory. So here for our easy understanding, I am taking a memory having capacity of storing 3 pages, only 3 pages. Let us assume all the 3 pages are initially empty. So we have a memory of 3 pages capacity and all are empty. Now CPU generated one reference string. Now based on FIFO page replacement algorithm, we have to fill all these pages to the main memory. Okay, so here what is the first string? What is the first page in the reference string 7? So our assumption is all this memory is free initially. So when 7 request comes, first the CPU checks whether the 7 is available in the memory or not. If 7 is not available, that is called page fault. Page fault. And 7 has to be placed. So this is called page fault, or we can call it as miss. So we have a space available, but there is no 7 page. We have to fill the one partition with the requested page is 7. Next request is 0. When 0 comes, our memory having only one page, that is 7, and 2 pages are free. So 0 is filled in the second frame. This is also called as a miss, because initially 0 is not available in the memory. Next request is 1. Available pages are 7, 0, and one slot is free. So 1 is filled on that slot. This is also called one miss. Next request is 2. Our memory is filled with 7, 0, 1, but there is no space for 2. Then based on FIFO page replacement algorithm, we have to find out the earliest page among 7, 0, 1. What is the earliest page? 7 is the earliest. First we fill the page is 7. So we have to remove 7 and filled with 2. So this is also one miss, because available 2 is not there in the memory. The requested 2 is not there in the memory. It is also miss, page fault. So here we choose the earliest page 7 and remove that 7 and fill the 2. Now we have 2, 0, 1 pages are available in the memory. The next request is 0. Now we check whether 0 is available or not. 2, 0, 1. 0 is available. So this situation is called hit. So I marked cross for miss and strike for hit. So 0 is available. There is no replacement. Next 3. Requested page is 3. Is 3 is available or not? 2, 0, 1. 3 is not available. Among 2, 0, 1, which is the oldest page? 0. So we remove 0 and filled with 3. This is also one miss, page fault. So the next is 0. Available are 2, 3, 1. Among 2, 3, 1, which is the oldest one? 1. We replace 1 with 0. This is one miss. Again 4. Available are 2, 3, 0. Among 2, 3, 0, which is the oldest? 2. We filled 4 in place of 2. This is also one miss. Next request is 2. We have 4, 3, 0. Among 4, 3, 0, which one is the oldest one? 3. So this is also one miss. 3. Next request. Available 4 to 0. There is no page. It is also page fault. So among 4 to 0, which one is the oldest? Definitely it is 0. So this is also one miss. Next request 0. Available 4 to 3. So we need to replace. Which one is the oldest one? 4. So this is also one miss. Next request 3. Available pages are 0, 2, 3. So the requested page is available in the memory. This is called hit. Next, when hit means there is no need of page replacement. Next request is 2. 0, 2, 3. 2 is available. This is also one hit. Next request 1. Available 0, 2, 3. Among 0, 2, 3, which one is the oldest one? Definitely it is 2. So 2 is replaced by 1. This is again a miss. Next request 2. Available are 0, 1, 3. Among 0, 1, 3, which one is the oldest? 3 is the oldest. Again it is one miss. Next 0 is the request. Available pages are 0, 1, 2. So 0 is there. So there is no replacement. This is called one hit. Again 1. 0 1 2, 1 is available, again it is one hit. Next 7, 0 1 2 available, there is no 7, it is miss. Among 0 1 2, which one is the oldest page? 0, so 0 is replaced with 7. Next request is 0, 7 1 2 available, 0 is the new request, so it is miss. Among 7 1 2, which one is the oldest? 1 is the oldest, so we remove 1 and place 0. So the available pages are 7 0 2. The next request is 1, it is not available, it is also 1, miss. Among 7 0 2, which one is the oldest? Definitely it is 2. So here the reference ring is completed, and we have different misses, different hits. So miss or page faults, total page faults equal to 15 and hits are equal to 5. So the advantage of FIFO page replacement algorithm is, it is implementation wise is very easy, but we will get maximum number of page faults when compared to the next page replacement algorithms. So that is the drawback of the page replacement algorithm, but we can easily implement this algorithm. So that is about FIFO page replacement algorithm. Thank you.